Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken chili. You will need 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 1 can of chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 14-ounce cans of chicken broth, 3 14.5-ounce cans of cannellini beans, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and Monterey Jack cheese. In a Dutch oven, add the olive oil and bring to temperature. Add the onions and sauté until they are just translucent. Now add the garlic and chicken and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the red pepper and green chili and bring to a light boil. Season with the oregano, salt, cumin, chili powder, and cayenne pepper and mix well. Add the chicken broth and bring it to a light boil. Lastly, add the beans, then cover and allow it to simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.